Hello everybody! Today we will be starting our journey of learning how to code in C++. Coding is becoming an increasingly important skill in the growing age of technology. Watching these videos for only 5 minutes a day can make you a master programmer. So here's the compiler we're going to be using for this course. It's JDoodle. I like it because it's simple and it's online, so meaning you don't have to download anything. If you want to have a downloaded compiler, you can use Visual Studio Code, which I'll put the link to in the description for Mac and PC. So we're going to be using C++14. The differences between the C++s is like very subtle, but it just makes your life slightly easier. So we have hashtag include IOStream and using namespace std. We'll go into that next video. We'll explain exactly what that means, and also int main, which is a class definition. But for now, let's delete these variable definitions. In fact, let's delete everything. And in order to print something out to the terminal in C++, we use the command cout and two less than symbols to show what we're printing. And this is the terminal where like the result will be printed. For now, we can just like do anything we want, but whatever you put inside the cout will be printed out to the terminal. So put the two quotations, which is telling C++ to basically print out whatever is inside the quotations. So let's say hello world, and semicolon tells the compiler that we are ending that statement. Make sure you don't forget that semicolon at the end. And if we click execute, it prints out hello world exactly as we intended. And so my challenge to you is just to load up JDoodle and try to print out anything. For example, I am your instructor. And so what we can do, if you want to save all your programs so that at the end you can like look through them, and if you want to like remember something from the past, you can look through it. You can click save to local file and it'll download it. Then you can go to your Finder or whatever it is and change the name to, for example, Hello World in this case. So good luck with your first assignment, and yeah. And if you have any questions, leave in the comments and like the video. Thank you.